GTV, 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 GTV.
Yaya Margarita! Day!
Oh!
Si Sir. Mugikaon.
Ha?
Mugikaon si Sir. Mugikaon. Mugikaon si Sir. Si Sir.
Magluto ko og pagkaon. Kay mukha ko na si Sir niya.
Ay, oo! Yun! Oo! Oo, yun.
Pastilan mo ang sanik. Bisaya ka ba talaga?
Ay, kasi pansin ko lang lahat ng mga pumapasok kay Sir. Lahat nagbibisaya, kaya nagkunwari akong Bisaya.
Do not ruin this for me. A lot of people would like to work here in the Philippines, and I'm very lucky to be in this household. I get free rice, there's free warm water. I do have no intention of going back to my motherland. I intend to stay here. Okay? Naintindihan niyo, no? Oh, tira-tira na, nagkahugas na ng kutsi ba? Di mo! Pagsubliha, oy! People ruining my undercover. My goodness. They used to call me on my cell phone.
You used to call me on my cell phone.
Naintindihan mo dire?
Diha.
Diha? There's Pondasol. There's always fresh Pond de Coco. You know, in England, you know, coconuts are about £12 each. Here, it's almost for free. Pasura! Ba?
Pag-sure. Pag-sure diha.
Luto ka o pagkaon. Kay mukha ko